All right, the chickens have spread back out. Here's the bowl of slop that we're going to feed them. I'm going to pick this up and head that way, so the video may get all jacked, but we'll see what we can do. I've got a hold of the slop. We're moving that direction. I've lost my spatula. We're backing up. This is all, yeah, okay. Winging it. This is completely on a Chinese rugged phone here. We're not doing any editing. We're just fly by the pants of stupidity, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. Anyway, chickens are going to get impatient as soon as I come across here. Here they come. I'm going to take it out here to the bare ground so we get a better idea of what happens when chickens decide to start eating. And I'll be dumping this out while they're attacking me. There probably won't be any footage of this, but get back, chickens. All right, they're going crazy. We're just dumping it out. We don't even need our spatula. Good, good, good. Here we go. A chicken smorgasbord. We got some grapes, some celery. We've emptied out some salsa, some hot sauce, just miscellaneous crap. There's some celery cut up, obviously, right there's the butt of it. There's some pickled carrots. Yeah, ladies, oh, they don't like the carrots, it seems. Oh, there's a pepper. That one just ate a pepper. That seemed pretty sweet. They're just, oh, there's slop everywhere. I mean, it's like feeding frenzy in here. Oh, they're walking through it. If you heard that, that's Speckled Sue, star of the film right there. Oh, there she done it on camera. She's got no vocals at all. That's the noise she makes. Speckled Sue was given to me by a neighbor. Needed a home. She come with two other friends. They're here. Actually, there was 5 of them. The 2 roosters went off to Bullitt County to live. A friend from out there. I'm getting chicken slop all over me. I mean, this is ridiculous. It smells delicious, but I don't really want anything to do with it. I'll back up a little bit as to get less slop on me. Getting in the way of progress, chicken. All right, well, that's chickens eating slop. Let me know. It's the thing. There you go. That's right, Speckled Sue. Noisy.